overhead gives great contrast. We can see him as he now tumbles the airplane, going into a knife edge tumble with the right wing out front. There's two, there's three, there's four, and a quick recovery. How about that, ladies and gentlemen? Let's give it up for Red Bull pilot Kirby Chambers. On the left-hand side of the aerobatic box, the IMG pulls it straight up. Point rolls to the right and to the left. The gentleman you're seeing flying is one of the best aerobatic pilots in the world today. If anybody earned virtually every aviation license possible, flown more than 70 types of aircraft, and has accumulated over 26,000 hours of flight time in his career. That's 3 years in the air. Watch for the tumble. He'll swap ends. He'll point the nose back down after he completes this torque roll, backing it up, hanging it on the prop, going backwards 300 feet, 400 feet. And there it is, ladies and gentlemen, he backed it up like a school bus. Can you believe that stuff? What a performance. His gyroscopic maneuvers subject him to forces spanning around